your name, me Modi po. So go tell me di. What Papa J. I've been in this game for a very long time. Who shall me about me? Who will be about me? Who shall be about me? So who shall me about me? Lose talk. All right, fellow Ghanaians. Me church about Poleeno Multimedia. The name still remains the Fresh Boy Papa J. Area anyabone. I think say mote say bloggers be call baby. Nansen Emma insem bebre ekosi e wo ho. I me enemy team. And I call ya say incident na ekosi me Fresh Boy Papa J password YA NJ TV grade 1 and after the Don TV efu and ye call ya say incident in esi enya no quarantine na matenase me kasa but yegusoa edi ho komo ye ka na ese ye no nyame adom omaye amaye aka ada matters bi yegusoa edi ho komo. It's all about peace. Boni bia NC YA na hospital say nyame adom ono so ne ho ye kama yegusoa ye toto ne ama na ye hwe ne de bebi da no bebi e wo say bebi da bia ye de ato incident ni see yenya mpanyimfo bebramo do man batum ya big sister nana ya brefo asese wo onua TV big sis bebi a wo bia yankopon sha say wo de wano batum bi other media personnel samodi manu tum fellow bloggers like the Godson TV GH page other bloggers bebramo intimi emmubo mudi +1 TV mo frɛ gunshot smart a lot mpanyimfo a mutimi frɛ ya mo check up on us papa kuma say Dr. Laiki nyankopo enhia mo nyina mo ya de pa na de enti ama me kasa enen se ewiase ese ento wa anase tu ayonko ho a osi etu aduam incident ne happen ye no ye ho se bi mo so epese take advantage of it e de ekeka ensem a omo epe and nanka mesen kamen kasa about this issue but edu baby na se wan kasa you yesi wan kasa otiri ho a you ayi bone me pese me busa anase me ka kire amamfo se issue na happen no wa office open hype e wo ho bia no frame na yentena se na yenhye ne ma osa hype no wa open hype opese o ka asem we bi na wo de trend no frame wate na yentena se ne yenkasa na sa hype na open yemfa ma H0T Lilwin ebeka bi ono kwan de ne mansa da amfa ne serious because okasa wie na chire no ofrɛ me ema as a in a funny way but how we sika no na anko yi a e call bone na ni kwasa okana se do sika no but I don't want to go there ni America ne say Ghana si yakasa blogger people think say blogger you be a cause problem e de man crofo yakasa obi a blogger omo fi say blogger you be a de bi okopensem bone e de ba yakasa blogger omo fi say blogger you be o kan negative news enye sanity we are bloggers for Ghana ha omo a great job bloggers like Zion Felix Konkonsa Amiyo Debra GH Kwaku GH Hyper yen.com a lot of bloggers am Ghana ha be brave ana ye adwuma pa bi ti say Poleeno Multimedia. What you say? Omo bloggers omo boy adwuma bebrebe this time no mun kan hu say blogging is part of the media. Enti se okọ baby na okas oh me media and am about they expecting you to say media ben obakasa fi CNN ana fi BBC ana bia fi TV3 GTV ana bia obabo renowned media house bia ansane you say oh asumesi okakasa your blogger pe na oho aye. So it's about time our fellow bloggers are more Ghana we should all come together. Na yam fight a good cause. We need protection. Bloggers need protection. So abino and also protect here. If there are laws be an association be and also be a joining. Na yenya one voice. Say BBC we will have a body be obeti me are fighting for ya. It's about time. I was here yenya together. Na yenya that association. Say ne wo ebia representatives association no. I was saying so yenya bloggers association. Na bibi ni a yenji yentum. Yemma yakonye bi. Yemma ye bibia sa uko baby no akwa ye bibia sa niam na betimi agaide o so obi ba ebetake wa nipa ni ebehu say oh these people omo ye sankofo we o enti so nipa ni be ye obibi kra na they will think about it anase uko baby na ope bibia na uka say bia we asomesi we say ni they know say ufree background bia e very solid. And it's a blogger ko baby na so kwa ko pay news and so kwa ko twa bibia amanfo wo ni say eh Debbie we dey qualify so oba ha because we ye nim no ye hunu TV so da ye hunu ye ntene kan radio so da ntini kwase ye man ba ha omo pese obo say bia we renowned person ye hunu say TV so kan news and our radio so kan news and our Judin wa Ghana ansa na e bia ya ma kwan ma ba na say ye ma kwan ma o ma. We should all come together. Issue we see, ebi mo kase oh, no sense komboye. We deserve it. We deserve that. No sense say, no sense say, no my ebi so support it, ebi so end support it. But the thing is, we are all human beings. What you say? Even now, if a young bloggers now about this time, we are giving out headlines. Your interviews are here, events are here, and even the traditional media no kwana epic almost stories all the time. Your interviews are here, and at times create headlines. Edema radio station and TV stations baby. Baby so do your own shows. It tells you say we are also working. So it's about time say GJO say the right authority also my platform no must be protected here. Say association bi na wo say yeko say seminar bi say bibi wo say here betimi aboa ama manfo nya more knowledge about blogging and more knowledge about media no. Yetimi ko ne so yeko bi. Yetimi di ye adwuma no. Asemasi ye solve ye guso ye solve na ebi musu na machire say cancer more penyimfo bi na machire say cancer more all because of say obi afa ye say we a blogger you are nothing all the open content e dey akokoto YouTube na onka kogisika that is idea won go for trim oba betwa no dey akokoto YouTube no dey akokogisika the oni man but obi timi ko a wo chem yetimi ko kotwa no amonfo timi hu ebe ye ne moa obi hu kire no issue no afre menya problem so chale mom na hwe mame ne yakọ akotwa yetekiri nyina de ba wi a eno kwatimi ma later police kwatimi follow up ewura story no mu ye enti asamba unnim asem na don't go and sit anywhere and just narrate your side of a story meanwhile you don't know how a story is here all because of say what it and I will share with them and offer camera so and I will can say munu just like that more multimedia also can say munu nyina no we can come out and reply you ebo bodi ni aka de pa kire yebo bodi ni aka de opacho but ehun here this time we are matured and kakodjon cancel when asem obeka yi kodjon cancel onim how my life sit here about issues like this onim how am sit here can be handle no boot for boot but later far phone be frame me onim say dey penam so no kodjon open hype say hype na open there say ka frame me what you say so open hype you need to call me papa J me ba be fire o ntimi fire wan so ba be fire me bi na me ma jam to me to jam go so what you say na me to jam out na me ma jam ra so but so wan kasa o kasa na so wan kasa yes Ghana for nyina fa won time say wan kasa ye e bi didi watem the same thing one guy bi so in the media no so akwa platform bi so akodidi me papa J atem say me makoye interview ama obi aka nasem e wo interview no monti no on ti bi da na kwotena GH page wakodidi matem ho poto so ono ne car o yusu oton ne car wheels na ebetimi ahwe me mumusa ne say car be no yusu onfa car kwa metudwa o menye ntwa car no ne yemfa to platform so ne yehwe car cross so yusu any rims na all kano masa amanfo ni mo chinko hwehwe mu fie nti mo etra media no sa mo dwamanum mimi nwa manum o media no so if you don't know me me kama sem abra woni me si yehia yekwa si yehia we nyina yehia after that no you don't know me woni me ya menam woni me line mu enti men kwotena baby enkonkotwe woni me se me osika ene me wa asase me to gold ena me won tade me won paboa ena me say masa unko bie fom a wo so unko na banche bo unko bie fom a wo so unko na obayere bo what you say unko bie fom a wo so unko na yekwani no betra media no so wo dwawanum ena me to gold wo boase ena hwefo sika wo me phone so ma me che wade sika gu me phone so abroche fo sika wo me send me what is this wa ko bie account um wa ko bie account um ai mimi ni platform ni bi mimi ni channel ni bi mama kan cho mimi ni Poleeno Mini Poleeno enya ketu asemo. Ye didi bom. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Mini Poleeno enya bosumi aketu asemo. Ye didi bom. Ye make no so ye nyansafo a. Na so nim nyansa. Ye make no beti ase ye didi bom, we eat together. Me pie na sade san metimi Poleeno ko fie na makoda na ho. Metimi Poleeno ba me fie na obeda me ho. We are brothers from different mothers. Poleeno is like a brother to me. The same thing I'm a brother to Poleeno. Enya ketu asem wakacha nipa ne say me akacha se na meje. Akacha se na meje. Na me sorry a me na even kwa no wo kwa na wo kasa asem wo kwa na wo kasa asem na wo dwa wonum na wo dwa wonum no. Masa do your thing, let me do my thing. Me hear me interviews. That is how I do my interviews. Ekoya me hear me interviews no. That is how I started way back from 2018 till now. Eh bia wo kwa me start say me interviews. Now we starting your interviews. I'm telling you. Me started say bia make kasa radio. So now we starting on kasa radio so. But because as a mo kasa ntino, mo je bia na mo kasa ban for mo say money ntino, na mo kasa anyhow. We just don't talk. We just don't talk. No kwatena baby kasa say me ma you be interview. Na asem na nipa ne kan ye no, e na wo de be attack me. Nipa ne kwa me musa the question about wo. Me kasa no kofa wasem na wo de be shame. Wasem na wo de be shame, nyina musa no. So if you will be here as a professional man, I will say watch radio, so watch TV so for a very long time no. You should question the guy na kasa and me no so be attack me. Media no so kasa unnecessary words like stupid and that small boy. Me no small boy oh. Bro, me no small boy. Uso was car focus your busuafo. If you think you are rich, go and take care of your family. Fakuma busuafo. I don't eat from your pot. Me the deal pot him. Me so na pa ma won chese ma miska ko didi. You don't buy credit for, you don't pay my rent, you don't pay my bills. Until go tell me be ko dwa wanum say na papa J and I say this a small boy and there massa. Someone say the munya san samene ko bi wana me woska metimi ahwe obetimi ahwe wan fakọ hwe ma me no papa. Go and take care of your mommy or dad because me anyo na ahwe me. Enyo na ahwe di machi. No ko hwe bebi amete. Ko hwe me da ball so a ana se me da bonten a. Mo brage keke mo betra media so na mo brage but you are nobody. Who's the despite? Abejina ka se me waka away. Me woska say where them account. What was the despite I be da? And I want say Kesben. Abejina ka say me woska. Me will say what will be da? Campon. Also obekasa da. But mo amuni hwe no. Mo na mo so mo dwa monum. Mo amuni hwe no. Mo na mo so mo dwa monum. Bro. Ye nyina o say intesukoko wani penum but ye jani atifita. I'm warning anyone who person be take advantage of side way. Ebekasa tie. No one ba bonta bekasa nke yenyu obi amfiri na papa che de nkomumbu ni nkunu. You wish me dead because mo say I'm doing a good job. I'm doing a good job. Question I want to be musa me bisa. That is my problem. Question I want to be musa me bisa o. Musha nkrofo there are questions I want to me bisa mo ntimi misa. But me bisa. What I say? Petition me na me fan paper manim kra. Man ba ko fan paper manim. She. Mami ma hiti o. Ma hiti bruta. To the bia o. Nipa bi niam no mo fom ho adi. Na sa nipa no yes amini mo ni din po no nya hit. I will never mention your name. Me mo din po. Sa wo kota wo bo mi din. Wo bo papa je. Me mo din po no bia ko hwehwe wa akọhwe. But asema make an ekutia no the person. Ekutia no the person. Me mo din po na ye wo de. Because enyim na me want hype. Me sister open hyper. See me. Come let's sit down. Papa J me pese me trendy. Me force trend o. I don't force trend. I know what I'm doing. Oh game we mu. I've been in this game for a very long time. Osu sha me abebo me. Wo beti me abebo me. Wo sha wo beti me abebo me. Se wo sha me abebo me. Lose talk. Wo beti me abebo me. Who bet me abome? Masa. Me pese me ko gidigidi. Me sa de na wo de ba no. Me ye chen o kra. Wo sa guy no, sa de na wo de ba no. Me ye chen o. Ba me mo din no obi ehu. Na ko ba sa papa je kra e bo ni din yengo hwe nipa kro. Me mo din. Me hwe machi o. I'm moving forward. Me hwe machi. What's na radio so YouTube no wo ye bi. Wo YouTube ni bi. na so wonu yakọ baabi na issue aba de na wo so obeye it can happen to you obetimi yakọ baabi asem ebi beto na ebi to a what do you expect say yen ka say enka won de enka yan muni nkunu because of say why obi interview ama nipa na kama asem aka wasem interview no ntini yan muni nkunu yen ka say we need to support each other the godson na ni bray page mu anya bray e cassette yasa no we shouldn't do that yen nwa na asamato no enti bibi ni yen enka mbom na yen support yen ka bibi ma nipa hu say no we shouldn't do that na won nam na mo keka nsensem all because of say Papa J de bia Papa J ene Papa J o cha ma so yen odi bi ma yen odi bi masa e kwa me fa so eye me interviews no that is my style me na me ni obra for ye interview mo say first na mo gusu kunipa se mu da sukum e question na wo e she otima wutimi musa waiting for a very long time sa abra for so mo twa ni peti nenei omo da so twa ni peti e question me busa no enyi so obeyi anu obetiem say ai ye gusu twa anase say de ye twa ni peti or because of say anase say e question na me busa that is me enunti omo se Papa J na de na obusa nkwasha question enso me question na me busa mo say nkwasha question no eno na mo wi na masa afa na masa akọ blog eno na mo wi na mo afa na masa akọ blog Charlie, we know what we are doing, we know what we are doing. At times, them paying for any kasa, or money kasa, also men, but this time, wo be kasa one kasa ye biano. Masa, I will reply you in a professional way. Kojon kasa Lilwin or my body. Kojon kasa Lilwin, my kone said so several times. I'm in friend pusa me ba. Abrawo e adwuma me kwa. Me share the interview. Na bibi opeso ye biano. Multimedia to dwama manfo ehu. Wa bro wo se wo na ma me Kojon kasa interview first. Wo dwa wanum sa wo na ma me ye Kojon kasa interview first. O ma bodi kwa ma benya hype. Wo so na ma Kojon kasa me ye Kojon kasa interview first. Kojon kasa wo na abro wo Kojon kasa da ben. Busa Kojon kasa Lilwin no ka me no story en kire. Busa no ka me no story en kire. Kojon kasa Lilwin or ye ni school I think so my anniversary me no e wo offense so. Ono frɛ me ni Poleeno. The first time me ni Poleeno ko hia no ne sada no. And the last day san ko ni school mo ene ose obi oye new yibi wo ho no ma ene bo free silent interview me ye Kojo kwa na mbo mic that time. Masa embedwa wanum sa wo na ma me ye Kojon kasa Lilwin interview first. Masa it's a lie. Ubetu mfuturo ngofo ni sama mekasa obi tinchan bekasa ene esa it's a lie. Me start interview so na wa bro unya interview. I'm telling you the truth. Me interview now start unya interview. Me start say me interviews now unya interview. Cut it.